In this video, I'll show you how to fix in case the screen of your Apple Watch is upside down. So the first step when this is happening to you is, well, remove your watch, and it will be easier to do what I'll show you next by looking at the screen the correct way. Tap the crown, and we need to go into the settings. So find the settings app. Okay, this is mine, it's right over here. Go down and select General. Then you need to go down again and select Orientation. And here you cannot say, okay, flip the screen. You need to select on which wrist you're gonna wear the watch. So if it's on the left, select left, and the digital crown. Okay, this is what the digital crown is. Where is the digital crown located? On the left or on the right? So if you're gonna wear your watch, let's say like this, well, the digital crown will be on the right side. If you prefer wearing your watch the other way, well, the digital crown will be on the left. This is what they meant by this. So let me just go back quickly there and select right instead, because that's how I like to wear it. Well, the screen will flip as you saw, and this is about it. You're done. Now you can put it back and the screen orientation will be the way you want. See? Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment down below. I always appreciate that. See you in the next one.